This is the final video to solve the Windows cannot find uninstall.exe error. Are you also facing this problem where Windows can't locate uninstall.exe when you try to remove a program? This happens when the uninstaller gets deleted, moved, or corrupted. Other guides are confusing, but when I faced this, I fixed it with a simple trick, and I'm sharing it here on 0x800f0835. First, open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Select the program and click Modify or Repair if the option exists. This rebuilds the missing uninstall files. If that doesn't work, press Windows+R, type appwiz.cpl, and press Enter. Select the program and try uninstalling it from the classic control panel. Next, press Windows+E and go to C:\program files or C:\program files, x86. Open the program folder and look for files like unins000.exe, uninstall.exe, or setup.exe. Run any of these to remove the program manually. If the folder is broken, download the same software again and reinstall it over the existing files. After installing, the uninstaller will return.